Welcome everybody to Cooking with Poppy.
Today, Guinevere and Arwen will be helping me make some delicious fudgy brownies. Be sure to leave a comment below, and most importantly,
Like and subscribe.
So I'm going to start by chopping up 8 ounces of baker's chocolate. Add 1 stick of
Butter.
to a
Hot pan.
and then we're going to brown the butter. Browning the butter is going to give us yet another layer of flavor to our fudgy brownies. We want our butter to be a nice golden brown like this. Then we're going to add our chopped chocolate. Then I'm going to turn off the heat and stir it until it gets nice and melted. Add 1 tablespoon of espresso coffee powder. This will really amp up the chocolate flavor in our brownies. Now I'm just going to set this pan off to the side to let it cool. Let's mix up some dry ingredients. Add
A half cup
of flour, 3/4 of a cup of cocoa, and a teaspoon of salt. And then we're going to sift it all to get out all the lumps. Stirring it with a spoon will really speed up the process. Add 3 eggs and 1 egg yolk,
a half cup
of brown sugar, and a half cup of white sugar. And we're going to mix these on high for 5 minutes. Whipping air into the batter will make our brownies lighter and less dense. We should end up with a nice caramel-colored mixture like this. Now we're going to slow the mixer down and slowly add our chocolate mixture into our egg and sugar mixture. Once it's all mixed, I'm going to go ahead and scrape the sides of the bowl down. Then I'll add 1/2 of my dry ingredients. Then I'll give it a quick mix. Now I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of vanilla, 1/4 cup of buttermilk, and 1/4 cup of vegetable oil. Another quick mix, and then we'll add the rest of our dry ingredients. Make sure to mix it on low so you don't make a mess like I did. Then we're going to scrape down the sides of the bowl, get all the dry ingredients mixed in. You should end up with a batter that has a deep, rich color, like this, and a wonderful cocoa, chocolate, coffee aroma. Now it's time to get it ready for the oven. Now I'm going to oil an 8x8 cooking dish. Make sure you get the sides. And I'm going to line it with 2 pieces of parchment paper. One going this way and one going the other way. This will keep the brownies from sticking. Now let's put the batter right into the pan. Spread it out evenly in the pan. And then get it nice and smooth on the top. Now I'm going to add a 1/4 cup of sweet chocolate onto the top of the brownie mix. Make sure it's spread out evenly and push down into the batter. And then I'm going to add about a teaspoon of sea salt on top. This will magnify the flavor of all the chocolates. Now we're going to cover this with cling wrap and put it in the refrigerator for at least 2 hours. That's going to allow all the complex flavors in this batter to get to know each other, and it's going to make our brownies more fudgy. After 2 hours in the refrigerator, I am going to put it in a 350-degree oven for 25 minutes. After 25 minutes, I'm going to put it on my cutting board and let it cool. And now it's time to cut into this and see how we did. You can tell how fudgy the center is by how much it's sticking to my knife. Okay, let's take a look. Just take a look at that. It's moist, it's fudgy, it's chocolatey. It's time for a snack. And that is how you make the fudgiest brownies in the world. I'm going to enjoy mine with a nice glass of milk. We hope you enjoyed our video today. And as always,
Thanks for coming, everybody.